Back again with another CPN video. It's CPN SHAWTY. Today, I'm gonna be giving you the sauce on how to get 30K with a CPN from scratch, all right? Now, this package is information only, so go ahead, smash that like, hit the subscribe button, and comment. Someone from a past video asked me about this, so I'm touching on it. 30K from a blank CPN. The first thing you gotta do, make sure you get a CPN that's safe. You know, it's LexisNexis verified. You can do that by going to CPN generator, but make sure you get the public records. That's the second thing. And when you get the public records, make sure you're in the databases, the 411, because when creditors look you up, you want to make sure you get approved for these things, all right? The next thing, you got to get trade lines. Authorized users first to have a score. The second thing, you want to get some primaries. I get all my trade lines from cpngenerator.com. I'll leave a link below. Once you have your file with a score, that'll take about 7 to 10 business days. Once you got that, you can go ahead and apply for a Capital One card. Now that's already gonna get you about 10 bands, okay? Now with that 10 bands, you're gonna do something. You're gonna go and do 2 more, all right? And those 2, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you. But go ahead and smash that like and comment so I can get more content like this out, okay? It's 2 banks, they're fintech banks. All right, a lot of people don't know about them yet. I really don't want to put them out there like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave it on the site below. I'm gonna leave a link to the site. It's 2 more cards that get you two more cards that get you $10,000, all right? And that'll be a total of $30,000. And you want to do this if you're trying to go ahead and build your profile up fast, all right? You don't want to do this if you have a blank CPN, nothing on it, because you won't get approved. You need to have a score on there. All right, and now those 2 companies, it's very simple, but it's a method that you're gonna do all 3 cards at the same time, so to lower your increase. You don't want to do it one and then another, then another. You want to do them all within the same click, 5 seconds. And I'm gonna teach you that strategy right now. Okay, that strategy for getting the full 30,000 is open 3 different browsers. Each browser I have it set up to where you have the Capital One and you have the other 2 fintech companies that I'm gonna leave in the link below. Make sure you go ahead and click that link, go over to CPN generator, and the information will be right there. All right, and if you don't see it, just call them up. Now look, once you have all 3 browsers up, you have your applications filled out, make sure within 5 seconds you get all 3. Now that's the sauce, that's the secret. You need to do them all at the same time. But before, you need to have your profile, you need to have at least a score, high 6s, low 7s, all right? Now, I'm back again with another CPN video. Don't ever just take a blank CPN and try to do stuff with it, because sometimes even if you get approved, they'll lock your card out as soon as you get the card in the mail, and you'll be like, man, I wasted all this time, when really your profile wasn't strong enough in the first place. Now, to build a profile, you need trade lines, you need primaries, you need a mix of both. And you know, these people below, they even have an auto primary. So that will look really good too. You can put your mortgage, you can put your rent payments on there to make it look even stronger. It's a wealth of knowledge that you can learn. But again, you need to go with a company that's reputable. So I can recommend the company below, CPN Generator. Now, thanks for staying tuned to the end. I'm CPN SHAWTY, and I'll be back again with another CPN video.